University will make you stand out from all other professionals because you are a Carolinian. Thank you, one and all. We close our commencement rites with the singing of the USC hymn. This will be followed by the recessional. Graduates, please do not break from the recessional formation until you have reached outside the venue. Ladies and gentlemen, the USC hymn.
Thesis Advisor, Brother Bella S. Lani, SVD, MR. Architect Brian F. Andy Lara, Major in Architectural Science.
Graduates of the graduate programs of the School of Architecture, Fine Arts and Design, please stand. The reader is Architect Pedro P. Rubia III. The School of Architecture, Fine Arts and Design will now put on the hoods and caps to the graduates of graduate program and distribute the diplomas to all graduates to be assisted by University Registrar Engineer James Anthony T. Toledo. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the graduates